This is a great little label printer. Cool form factor. Prints multiple different sizes of labels. Super easy to use. Start it up. Connects right to the app. We've got a start of a label here. But not only can you make your own labels, it's very flexible. In fact, you can even have data-driven labels. We can add a text field. Get the content from an Excel sheet that you can download from your favorite storage service. This one happens to have first and last names in it. Just quickly change the style. Pick a nice font. Add another one. Choose a font. You can instantly preview. It does a merge. You can do multiple different labels. Time to print it. Shows you your layout. In this case, I'm just going to do the first two. Chose to print. Out they come, just like that. Great quality. So many uses.
Hey Amazon shoppers, it is your favorite Amazon Vine reviewer, Septi Lou, and I'm here today with the NIIMBOT B21 Smart Label Printer. Keep in mind that in order for you to use this printer, you do need an app, and you need a phone that can handle that app. The app is incredibly easy to use. I might throw some screenshots in here just so that you can see, but this is what it looks like. On the inside, you're going to see that it comes with a roll. You can actually adjust for different sizes, which I thought to be really good. And it's very intuitive. The only thing is, if you want to use extra fonts, there's a paywall, but for everyday use, it's fine. So now you're going to see it pair. This is what it looks like when it pairs.